Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Kalshi update stuck on waiting, failing in the App Store, or just now showing? Running an old version of Kalshi causes login errors and display problems. Here's how to force through the update. First, open your App Store and then tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Then scroll down and pull down on the screen to force refresh the available update. Look for Kalshi in the list and then tap update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting or frozen, go to your home screen and then tap and hold the app and tap pause download. Tap it again and tap resume download. This breaks a stuck download every time. If the update keeps failing, check your storage. Head to your settings app, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage. Make sure that you have at least 1 GB of free space. Updates fail silently when storage is too low. Free up space by offloading unused app and retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data in the settings before retrying the App Store is often faster on cellular. So all you've got to do is go to the App Store, go to refresh, pause and resume if stuck. Free storage, try mobile data, Kalshi update will complete, and that's it. Subscribe for more Kalshi fixes.